We're going to explain how to enable the Camera 2 API without rooting your Android device. This isn't always possible, as it depends heavily on your phone's manufacturer and the Android version you're running. Some manufacturers disable Camera 2 API access by default, viewing it as an advanced feature that average users might misuse. Rooting bypasses these restrictions, but carries significant risks and voids your warranty. Therefore, let's explore non-root methods. 1. Check for Camera 2 API support. Before trying anything, verify if your device even supports the Camera 2 API. There are several apps on the Google Play Store designed specifically for this purpose. These apps will analyze your device's capabilities and tell you definitively if the Camera 2 API is available. If it's not listed as supported, then no amount of tinkering will enable it. 2. Update your Android version. An outdated Android version might lack the necessary drivers or support for Camera 2 API. Check your device's settings for available system updates. Manufacturers frequently improve hardware compatibility through software updates. Updating to the latest available version might activate Camera 2 API support. 3. Use a camera app that supports Camera 2 API. Many third-party camera applications are designed to work with the Camera 2 API, even if it's not explicitly enabled system-wide. These apps often have permission requests to access the low-level camera hardware. Downloading and installing one of these apps might be a simpler solution than trying to force enable it through system settings. The app's description usually specifies if it uses Camera 2. 4. Check device-specific forums or communities. Online forums dedicated to your specific phone model are invaluable resources. Other users may have discovered a workaround or a hidden setting that enables Camera 2 API access. Searching for Enable Camera 2 API your phone model will likely yield relevant results. Remember to exercise caution when following instructions found online, and avoid installing anything from untrusted sources. 5. Contact your device manufacturer. As a last resort, consider contacting your phone's manufacturer directly. Explain that you need Camera 2 API support for a specific application or task. While they might not offer a direct solution, their support team might be able to provide useful information or clarify if enabling the Camera 2 API is even possible for your specific device model. Remember that manufacturers are not obligated to provide support for this level of technical access. It's crucial to remember that these steps may or may not work. The success of these methods completely hinges on your phone's hardware and software configuration. If none of these options work, unfortunately, rooting your phone might be the only solution, but that comes with its own set of caveats and risks. Always back up your data before attempting any changes to your system.